Yeah, what's up guys? My name is Johnny. Thank you for joining me on another video and welcome to Johnny's Whips. Today we are going to be unboxing this window regulator that I got from Dorman. I placed the order off of Amazon, and this Dorman window regulator for a 2005 Honda Civic was $38.95. I placed the order on a Sunday and I received this on Wednesday. There it is, guys. It's the window regulator and the motor. It comes with the instructions, installation, removal instructions, but they're real basic. For example, look at step 1. Using a Phillips head screwdriver or Torx bit, remove the interior door trim panel retaining screws, torque bits. So it doesn't, it's just the general instructions. English, Spanish on the other side. And here we have the window regulator and the motor included. Again, this was $38.95. I got it on Amazon. This is made by Dorman. Let me go ahead and take this out the bag. Give me a moment. All right, guys, there it is. I took it out the bag, and here we have it. Here it is. This is going to be a 2005 Honda Civic sedan, driver side front door. So this is for the driver door. It gave out in my Civic, so we're going to go ahead and replace it with this Dorman one that I got from Amazon.com. It was $38.95. And as I mentioned, this is made by Dorman for the 05 Honda Civic sedan. All right, and of course, I'm going to go ahead and make another video of how to install this. So if you don't know how to do it, let's learn together, and make sure you check that out. Thank you guys for watching, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe.